You have been. That's all. How can I text you Liza Joyce?
Hello?
Yes? Right, let's wait for the rest first before we start.
Okay.
Let's see if everyone is here.
What are you gonna do on Christmas, teacher?
All this is not yet here is all this. On Christmas, I'm going to celebrate it with my family.
You gonna go somewhere?
No, we will just stay at home.
Teacher, I'm here. And you have a place, and then you leave cookies there, and then Santa Claus, teacher. And you light it up. You will see
How
that
about
Santa.
you guys? What's your plan at Christmas? Are you guys going to travel somewhere else?
And Christmas,
No.
it's the same as you. I'm gonna celebrate with my family and cousins.
I'm gonna celebrate Christmas with some yummy food. I'm gonna wear pajamas and watch.
Well, that's great.
I'm gonna have so much fun. I'm so excited. We're starting after the exam. Only a few days. We're gonna celebrate at 24.
Yeah, Alex, I saw your mom posted about the cake. Are you guys selling cakes for Christmas?
No, but I am selling.
Teacher, I'm here.
No, teacher.
Teacher,
Yes, we're selling cakes for Christmas.
I'm here.
That looks really great. Looks so delicious.
I didn't see it yet.
Teacher.
Yes, Ahmed.
I'm here.
Yeah, I know.
What? Why did you said I'm not here?
I thought you were not here. Yes, Zach.
In Christmas, I will just do nothing.
You will just do nothing?
Yes.
What?
Well,
Looks like normal.
we're supposedly we should have celebrated Christmas party this week.
Yeah.
Yeah.
At grade 1, we celebrate in our classroom.
Mm-mm.
Like we celebrate Christmas, Valentine's. I had a fever that time at Valentine's Day in our school.
Yeah.
I had a
now,
fever.
We cannot
Like Abigail, I had a
celebrate it.
fever that time, Abigail.
Yeah.
I was not feeling well. I was very sleepy.
Also, we celebrate
My daddy brought the cake. The cupcakes.
We also celebrate Halloween. We go to all the classrooms except for the bigger grades.
Yeah, but I went early. I did not have time to go to have a candy because I did not have a bucket also, and my daddy did not want to go there because I might slide because my daddy think it's gonna rain. So he just bought me Jollibee that time.
Okay, so let's continue now.
Okay.
Ngayon ay magtatagalog na tayong lahat.
Magandang umaga, Teacher Diana.
Magandang umaga sa inyo.
Magandang umaga, Teacher Diana.
Magandang umaga, Teacher Diana. Teacher
Diana.
Ngayon ay magre-review tayo tungkol sa mga napag-usapan natin o sa mga natalakay natin noong nakaraang linggo. mga nakarating, mga nagdaang linggo. Okay, so sa inyong darating na exam, tayo ay magsasagot tungkol sa pandiwa. Ano nga yung pandiwa? What is pandiwa?
Pandiwa.
Pandiwa is verb. And tayo ay nag-usap o nagtalakay din tungkol sa mga pantukoy. Ano ba yung pantukoy?
Pantukoy.
Ano yung pantukoy? What can you remember about pantukoy?
Pantukoy.
Huh?
Pantukoy.
What is pantukoy? Anyone? Huh? Allah. I feel like everybody forgot what pantukoy is.
Pantukoy.
Okay, so you have here. Pantukoy ay binubuo ng mga panandang pangalan. So you have mga pangalan, pambalana at pantangi. Ano nga yung pangalang pambalana? Pangalang pambalana. Ano yung pangalang pambalana? What is pambalana?
Is that called proper noun?
Yes. Okay, so pangalang pambalana ay ang pangalang nagpapahiwatig ng mga common noun. Okay, so in English it's common noun. So nagpapahiwatig ng pangkalahatan. Example, you have bagay, hayop, lugar. So ano ang mabibigay niyong halimbawa sa salitang hayop?
Hayop.
Salitang hayop.
Hayop.
Aso, pusa, right? So, common noun, in short. Pangalang pambalana is common noun. How about pangalang pantangi?
Pangalang pantangi?
Corona.
Ano ang pangalang pantangi? What do you mean by pangalang pantangi?
Common noun.
Pangalang pambalana is common noun. But pangalang pantangi, what is pangalang pantangi?
Noun.
Proper noun. Proper noun. Okay, so if you will say proper noun that addresses to a specific person or specific place. Okay. Now you have pangalang pantangi at pambalana. Ang pantukoy ay ang mga pananda. Okay. Pantukoy are determiners. Pananda. Okay, so you have here, we use pantukoy sa pangalang pambalana. The following words, you have ang mga, at mga. Example, ang aso, ang pusa. Ang mga aso, ang mga pusa. Mga hayop. Okay, so we use the following pantukoy for the pangalang pambalana. And then, for the proper noun, which is the pangalang pantangi, we use the following pantukoy. Si, sina, ni, at nina. These are the pantukoy sa pangalang pantangi. So, example, si Natalia, sina Seth, at Natalia. Okay? Kinuha ni Johan. Kinuha ni Seth, Natalia, at Johan. Okay? Those are the examples of the following. We use see, listen up. So we use see if it is singular. Okay, if it is one. We use sina if it is two or more. Ni, singular. Nina, plural. Do you got it? So example, let me show you an example. Number one, we have the word see. Okay, you have the word see. So if we're going to use see, we should use the singular or plural for the word see.
Like station.
Singular. Example, si Sean ay nag-aaral
Sina is plural.
sa Southbrook.
Sina Abby at
Then you have
Seth.
the word sina.
Sina is plural.
Sina
Abby. Sina Abby. Sina Abby at Seth. At Seth. At Seth.
Seth. Sina Abby at Seth
Ay,
naglalaro.
You can say
Naglalaro.
sa Southbrook. Okay? Know the difference between the two? You have the word see, then you have the word singular. And then how about the ni? You have the word ni.
Singular.
Ni shows singular. Okay, so for ni, we should start with a description first, a verb, and then we should start with the pandiwa, and then insert the word ni. And then the person who's taking the action. Example, nilaro ni Pyron ang laruan ni Johan. Okay, so this is an example.
The place nilaro na Pyron ang Johan play na.
So you have nilaro ni Pyron ang laruan ni Johan. Then another one you have Nina. Okay, you have the word such as Nina. Nina is singular or plural?
Plural.
Okay, so how should we use it?
Teacher, do you know there's still like kina? There's kina like that. There's still
No.
There's still like that. Yeah. Kina.
What is kina?
There's like that.
Can you give me example with that?
Didn't have that.
Kina, I think kina is like it's inserted for the prefix and suffix for the pandiwa. Okay, this one, Nina. Nina shows singular. Okay, example, nilaro Nina Pyron at Seth ang laruan ni Johan. Okay, Here, an example. Nilaro ni na Pyron at Seth ang laruan ni Johan. So these are the uses of the pantukoy. So you have si, sina, ni, at nina. Right? Next, you have another one, which is the pambalana. Here you have pambalana ang mga at mga. Pantukoy sa pangalang pambalana. Can you give me an example using the pangalang pambalana? Pantukoy sa pangalang pambalana. Let's start with Rizel. Ang. Give me an example that uses the word ang.
I know what to say with that word. Ang guro.
Rizel, please.
Ang mga aso.
Huh?
Rizel.
Where's Rizel?
I thought she was Filipino who talks Tagalog.
Okay, example. What's the example?
Mga bata naglalaro.
Ang is singular. So it's just like
Me.
Ang sapatos.
ang sapatos.
Si Abigail laruan sa playground.
Rizel, what's your sentence, Rizel? Ang
Sapatos.
ang sapatos.
Ang sapatos. Sapatos.
Ay let's say ang sapatos ay malinis.
Maganda.
Or maganda. Okay?
Maganda.
Malinis at maganda. Let's say malinis at maganda. Okay. How about ang mga? Ang mga uses we use ang mga for
Mga bata.
Bata naglalaro.
singular. Ang mga bata ay
Naglalaro.
naglalaro.
Johan at si
Where?
Seth.
Parke. Sa parke.
Sa
Parke.
parke.
Oh.
What is parke in English?
Park.
Park. Okay.
Park.
Next. Mga. Mga. Last one, you have mga. Mga is still singular. So, example of mga.
Teacher,
Yes.
what is
Laruan Johan at si Seth.
ang
Oo. Mga, you have mga. Nakuha, example, nakuha ng mga estudyante
Mga laruan si
ang
Johan at si Seth.
nakuha ng mga estudyante ang malaking grado sa Filipino. Okay.
Pilipinas.
Mga laruan si Johan at si Seth.
Ha? Mga laruan si Johan?
At Seth.
Mangbaho.
Okay. So here you have. Now we already know what are the following Pantukoy sa pangalang Pambalana at pangalang Pantangi.
Yan.
Let's continue. So you have here the following examples. Ang bus, ang mga bata, si Carl, sina Rose at Ben. Aklat ni Marie, kinain ng mga tao.
Sina Rose at Ben.
Iniluto ni Aling Nena, pangkat ni Namel at Binita. Now let's go to our review. Wait first.
Let me see.
Here.
Muffin time.
Here.
Muffin time.
So take a look at the following. You have, basahin ang mga sumusunod na salita at kilalanin at piliin ang tamang pananda. Si, sina, ang mga, upang mabuo ang parirala. So number 1, mang-ambo. Number 1, mang-ambo. So what should we use for number 1? What do you think is the correct word that we should add in or the patukoy to complete the phrase?
Nga.
Si, sina, ang, or ang mga. Si. Number 1, you have si. Why it's si? Because it's ang pangalang Pantangi. Mang Ambo is a name of a person. Okay, so you and it's only one. Right? Okay, next. Number 2. Blank magsasaka, pumunta siya sa bukid, nagtanim ng palay. So what's the correct answer? Si, sina, ang, or ang mga? Alright, the correct answer is ang mga? No, ang magsasaka. Why ang? Because you have the word siya. Siya means singular. You don't say si magsasaka because magsasaka is a common noun. Okay, pambala ng Pantangi. Ang magsasaka, pumunta siya sa bukid, nagtanim ng palay. Ang magsasaka ay pumunta sa bukid. Okay? Next. Number 3. Aling Baby at Josie.
Ng Aling Baby at Josie.
Huh? What's the correct answer?
Sina.
Ang or ang mga? Okay. Number 3. Have sina. Why you sina? Why?
Because there's 2.
Because
There's 2.
there's 2. There are 2 people. You have Aling Baby at Josie. Next. Number 4. So number 4. Blank tindera ng mga gulay sa palengke ang kanilang punta kaya gumising ng maaga.
Sina or si?
Ha? What's the correct answer?
Si hindi. Nina. Ang mga.
Okay, the correct answer is ang mga tindera. Why did you use ang mga?
Because ang mga the tindera.
Yes, tindera. Nang mga, you have the word mga. It means it is in plural form. So, ang mga tindera ng mga gulay. Okay, it means there are lots of vendors. Right?
I don't know. Stop asking.
Okay, next. Number 5.
Baby Santo.
Bini Santo.
Sina.
Bini Miss.
Okay, so you have Bini Santiago. So the correct answer is
Si.
Bini Santiago.
Teacher, some answering Sina, teacher. I heard them. Some is answering Sina.
Okay, it's not Sina. It's just singular. This one is Bini. Bini in Tagalog, I mean in English is Miss.
Si Bibi. I said ni. I said.
The correct is Bini.
Si Bibi Santos. Amen.
Right, next. Wait. Number 6. Blank guro sabay tangto, mabait siya sa mga bata, masipag din siya magturo. Okay, so what is the correct answer here?
Ang guro.
Okay, ang because it is just one, right? It's singular. Okay, so do you have any questions about the pantukoy?
No, but I'm hungry. Mom prepared me food.
No. All right, so we'll see again later at 11 in
Our last class.
Yes, our last subject.
The last class.
What's our last subject?
Okay, so let's say goodbye for now. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye, teacher.